Walmart fulfillment can transform your business. Don't wait, get started now. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Not only can Walmart fulfillment increase your sales, but you can also get the Pro Seller badge, just like I'm showing right here. And it's extremely easy. But the Pro Seller badge, not only does it help you and you get a little badge on Walmart, but you get faster payouts. You get up to 25% off for your sales. You can get access to Walmart Capital, Review Accelerator credit, Pro listing discounts, and of course, like I said, you get the little badge. And it's not that difficult to achieve as long as you're utilizing Walmart fulfillment, which is also called WFS. Now, obviously, first thing is you need to have a Walmart seller account. So you just go to seller.walmart.com and then you're just going to sign up. After that, you're going to go to your catalog and add an item. Once you add an item, it is not going to be Walmart fulfilled. It's going to look like this, and then it's going to say seller fulfilled, right? What you want to do is click fulfill with WFS right here. Once you do that, you're just going to follow all of the prompts to get it converted into WFS. So let's wait for this to load and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so now that we're gonna convert it, we're just copying the GTIN number and it literally tells you it right here. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna scroll down, put it right here, put the width, the height, the depth, and the weight. Honestly, it doesn't even matter if you don't put you put the incorrect information. But so if you want to do it fast, you can. Put the sell price. Is it illegal? Don't put illegal for sale, please, for the state restrictions. And then you're just going to follow my lead on this. That's my recommendation. So that way we can get this approved as quickly as possible. 1 unit, 1 each, orderable GTIN. You're going to put the country of origin. And again, I'm going through this as quickly as possible. And then we're going to get this converted. Let's do China. You can always change this information. So once you submit it, it's going to give you like a little activity feed ID and say it's successfully submitted. And now we're just going to wait for it to be converted into WFS. Now, after an hour, it's going to look something like this, where it says seller fulfilled WFS eligible. Again, this should take an hour. If it's not showing after an hour, do it again. So go through these steps one more time. And then if it's still not showing, right, you can wait 24 hours. What you're going to want to do after you submit to convert it to WFS, it's going to have a feed ID. You're going to copy that feed ID and see if there's any errors. What you can do is copy the feed ID and then contact Walmart support and say, hey, this isn't allowing me to convert it to WFS. Please help me convert it to WFS. To contact Walmart, you just have to click this little question mark button and then you can contact them. Make sure that you give them the SKU, the item name, the GTI. Just give them all this information as well as the feed ID. But if it does say this, seller fulfilled WFS eligible, then you're good to go. And you can just go to the WFS tab and then ship inventory into this listing. Now, once you click on the WFS tab, there should be a button to send your inventory. It might take a second to pop up. Just make sure that you put your contact, return, billing info, and then after 24 hours, it should say send your inventory. And then you can click this button. Then it's going to take you to an inventory page and it should show you all your inventory. If it's not there, you can type in the SKU. If the SKU doesn't show up, you can type in the item ID, right? And then the item ID is also in your inventory. So if you go to catalog, you can find the item ID, the SKU, the item name. You can try all of these to see if it shows up, right? So if we were doing this product and it didn't show up, we can go to manage inventory and then just click send inventory. And there's another way to do it if it's not showing up. If it does show up, then it's going to look something like this. And you can just click this button and click send inventory, just like that. But if it doesn't show up, you can also just click send inventory right here, and then we can get it to show up. So let's click this, and we're going to try to actually get it to ship inventory in, just pretending if it didn't show up. So if it doesn't show up, you can try it again in here, and then again, type in the SKU, the item ID, and then it's more likely to show up on this page for some reason. if it's not showing up on the other page. This is just, Walmart. Make sure you put the expected delivery date and all that fun stuff, total units. Maybe I'm sending just 1 unit in, so I'm just doing 1 unit. Make sure you can have Walmart put in poly bags for you, and put the barcode on. Each product needs to have a barcode, or else Walmart's going to be like, where does this product go? It needs a barcode so they can scan it. So you can have Walmart do that for 45 cents. You can also have Walmart bag it. Or you can print the barcodes right here. So click this and it'll give you access to all of the barcodes. You do, I think it's US letters, the one you want to do. And then it should give you, there you go, see all the barcodes. And the barcode needs to go on the outside. Then you're going to create the shipment. Click create. And then we're going to go through the steps. Now it says inbound order. It's finally working. Okay, it's making a ship to here. You're just going to click setup. Click next. And then you want to use the Walmart preferred carrier as my recommendation. Again, just put how much weight. So I'm just going to say this is how much the box weighs. They're going to tell me the price, probably going to be $8. $5, right? Then you click next. Then you have to pick up information. This used to not be required, but you can just put information in. Nice. Cool. And then you click confirm. That way you confirm that it's going to charge you $5.76. After this, they're going to give you a Walmart label and a shipping label. So again, each product is going to have its own little barcode on it. You put all the products in a box. On the outside of the box, it's going to be a FedEx label and it's going to be a Walmart label. Then you can drop it off at FedEx or schedule a pickup. We're going to print these labels now, the ones that go on the outside of the box. And I'm going to say, let's get them out by tomorrow. And now this is this ship label, carrier labels. This is going to show as FedEx. There it is. And then we're going to have the WFS label. And there it is. And that is it. There's no other buttons after this. Now you're going to drop it off. Walmart's going to receive it. Once it's received, it's going to be completely Walmart fulfilled, 2-day shipping, and then you're good to go. I'm going to avoid these charges because this was just a practice example, but pretty decent, not bad at all. After you're selling for at least 90 days, you should be able to get the Pro Seller Badge. So as you can see, here's the criteria. Seller accountable on-time delivery for the past 90 days. You're not going to have to worry about that, so you're going to have 100%. Seller accountable cancellation rate. You can't cancel the orders, so you won't have to worry about that. Seller response rate. You do have to worry about this. So you have to respond to customer messages within 48 hours, which isn't that hard. Again, see, we're at 100%. Shipping score. Again, this is going to be pretty much 100% as long as you're using WFS. Content quality score. All you have to do is have a content quality above 75%. So just make sure you go through your content quality score under the growth tab. Here, it should be listing quality right here. And then as long as you get it above 75%, you'll get the same badge that I do, which is the highest badge you can get. Price competitive score, just make sure you're not ripping people off. All you have to do is just have more than 60% of your listings that have a solid price, and then you'll get it. So not that difficult. It's mainly just selling for, again, 90 days, and then you get a lot of benefits. And I think they're gonna add more benefits as the days go on. But for staying towards the end of the video, here's access to free Walmart training. So all you're gonna do is literally just type in free Walmart training. And then Walmart has created its own training platform. You can see a Seller Academy right here. And we have our whole team go through this. This is basic training, but it explains a lot. Like if you don't know about ads, you don't know about the performance metrics or the WFS, maybe you're stuck, go through these first before you reach out to an expert or reach out to Walmart. But that's it for today's video. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with Walmart fulfillment services? If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.